I found quite a few really fun bracelets, including some really popular designer dupes from Etsy. I will link everything in the description box. Starting off with this really fun hand chain. This is my first ever hand chain. I've always wanted to try the design. It's just so pretty on your wrist. And this is actually from a very popular Etsy seller called Caitlin Minimalist. If you ever shopped jewelry on Etsy, you probably have come across their listings. In fact, this is my very first piece from Caitlin Minimalist, and it is a pretty like star and moon pendant necklace. By the way, this ring is a recent Buffalo Exchange thrift find. It says Dior on the back. I highly doubt this is actually a Dior ring given I paid $25, but it is really pretty and I feel like it goes with the vibe of this hand chain. All of these pieces are really affordable, like $30, $35 max. I think this is maybe 20 something dollar. A lot of these shops are also running discounts, so grab them while they're still on sale. Next piece is personalized, which is this bubble friendship bracelet. I will put it on for you. It's very easy to put on. I like how comfortable it is. I think the only thing is depending on the number of letters, like I'm putting my baby's name, Finn, on this, so it can be like spaced out a bit. But if you have, I say, maybe 5 or ideally 6 letter name, then it'll go on really well and the letter doesn't move around too much. But I just really like the bubble letter effect. I've always wanted to try the bubble letters. A lot of brands do bubble letter necklaces, but I haven't seen too many options for bracelet, and I thought it's a really fun way to try out the bubble letter trend. And I've worn this for a couple of months now, pretty often. I will say the gold is like rubbing off into like a shinier silver champagne shade, which is still really pretty. So even though it is like rubbing off the gold color, I don't mind it much. Another really fun and surprisingly affordable customizable piece is this elasticated bracelet that you can pick every single one of these cute little, what do you call them? Like pendants, like connectors, almost like a little memory box, but in the bracelet form, because every single little sign that I picked here has some sort of meaning to me. I just really love their selection of choices, and every piece is in such great detail that I'm genuinely shook that this cost, I think, 20. I feel like you could easily sell these for hundreds of dollars because of the customizable options. The way it works is they will tell you the length of the bracelet depending on the number of like pendants. Because of the length, you can pick, let's say, 17 pendants. So they have a couple pictures of, I think, maybe 200 or something options where you can just list out all of your options. They also ask you to list out backup option in case anything is out of stock. So I just followed the instructions. Super straightforward. I mean, I did spend a bit of a time picking these pendants because I genuinely love so many of them. And I'm so happy how it turned out. And it ships, I would say, somewhat fast given this is a customizable piece. If you do want this to be a gift for someone, I would say definitely order ahead of time. And this actually would be such a great holiday gift idea. The next shop I found, I was very proud because I've seen these Lisa Gozlan bracelets pretty much all over social media. They are like $100, $200 each for, I can't remember, either gold plated or vermeil. Definitely feels a bit overpriced. And so I was on a hunt for dupes. And this is not the exact same in terms of how they lay out the pave, but it is pretty darn close to the Lisa Gozlan one. So I picked up three. This gold one with the pave, as you can see, also very easy to put on. The silver one with the pave, and then lastly, the gold with just the eyes being the pave. I will say that their gold is a little bit more like a rose gold versus yellow gold, but it honestly is very hard to tell. And I quite like this bangle stack. Very, very comfortable to wear. I wore these on a night out. It's really fun, and it is, I say, like pretty waterproof. I don't see really any tarnishing. And also it's such like a statement piece that I don't think I will wear it on an everyday basis. I do like the stack of multiple. I feel like if I just had one, it's just less exciting versus having all three. I think each one is around $25, so 20% of the price of a Lisa Gosling one, if not less, but you do get that effect. So if you want to scratch the itch of the really fun, like bangle elasticated bracelet, then these are really great options. I'm saving the best for last because I found yet another VCA bracelet dupe. These listings appear and then disappear. So depending on the time you're watching this video, they may be out of stock, but I typically just search VCA bracelet or clover bracelet on Etsy, and once in a while, you do see these listings pop up. Yes, they are very much a knockoff of the VCA bracelets, but I have decided that I don't think I will ever pay however many thousands of dollars to get an actual VCA one. One, because I don't wear them every day, especially because depending on the type of stone, most of the stones are actually not water resistant. So you're anyways taking it on and off, which is quite a bit of a hassle to wear as every day. Secondly, I don't think I will ever be able to decide on a color. I just love too many colors. And like this one is great for the summer option. In the past, I've actually picked up these two gold with mother of pearl and these blue stone ones. So I love all three of them. If I were to buy them from VCA, I wouldn't know which one to go for. And another fun thing you can do with these is to get a bunch while they're available on Etsy, connect them all. You now have a very long necklace. Look at that. This is why I don't think I can purchase the actual designer version, because once I start, I don't think I'll be able to stop. I'm genuinely wanting to collect more of these from Etsy and make various necklace, bracelet stacks, because it also serves really well as like a layered bracelet if you just connect them all. You can even make even longer chains, as imagine this being like a crossbody chain. Imagine this being like a little belt or like some sort of, I don't know, body chain situation, or just layered necklace. That could be another option. Comment down below if you have found any other fun Etsy jewelry pieces.